guys? It's your boy CryptoMykel here, coming today with updates from the farm. So, we actually get to be here today, and I don't feel like 100%, but we're here. So, we've got work to do. The 6600 XT that we were testing last week, back up into the rig. So far, so good. Changing the clocks on it seems to have fixed it. I don't know. We'll test that one more as it kind of goes along. But we were having an issue with one of our M30s, M30s Plus to be exact. Also, there's a new update for Intel drivers. So we're gonna go ahead and test these things out. So there was a new update for Intel ARC drivers, so actually we're going to go ahead and reboot, and yep, boom, reboot. So while that's rebooting and everything, let's go check out this out. So coming down here to this M30, as you can see, we got a red light. It's cold, 100%, and we are actually getting a 541 air. So right here, we are actually, as you can see, there are no effective chips. We have an air that is stopping us from running. Power is only 141, and when you go down into the miner log, you can see right here that restart BM miner as is no BM miner. It actually stopped right here at 22% and stopped counting. So error code 541, which means there is a missing ASIC chip. So something has happened where we've lost a chip on the M30s Pluses. Luckily, they actually have a year warranty on them from the factory, so we're gonna go ahead and get that. I'll have this sent out and get refixed. But yeah, first casualty at the facility for the M30s. I don't know, kind of sad that it happened. Boo. But anyway, here is all of these 6600 XTs. Now the one that was actually having an issue is this one right here, and so lowering it down to 1050, and it is a micron gigabyte, and it seems to be okay. I had it running while I was sick at the house, and I never had a single issue with it. So maybe it's just something has happened and the memory's degraded over the time that it's been hashing. I'm not really sure, but lowering the clock has so far fixed it. There are other microns on here, of course, that are not having that issue, but I don't know. We'll kind of see as this goes along. But in the meantime, I actually have a spare M30 that I've been waiting to turn on, so I'm probably going to go get that, put it in this place of this one, and get it up and hashing, and then get this one wrapped up, sent out for repairs or replacement from LOLminer. So pretty cool, pretty not FA for this anyway. This isn't cool. This sucks. Really bad, but is what it is. The giveaway hash rate for the channel, which was CryptoMykel, shout out to you, my dude. 429. Okay. So 12.42 gigahashes as it currently sits right now, but it's been going, hashing away. Currently sitting around like $5 is what's sitting in the payout wallet. And then, yeah, at the end of the month, it'll get paid out. FA, this makes it pretty easy. Slush pool's pretty cool. And, yeah. So, update on this. I am unsure of what happened. I even tried redoing the mount for the CPU completely, and that tube, this bottom tube right here, gets extremely freaking hot. I don't know what's wrong. Maybe my D5 pump is messed up, even though it's brand new. I'm actually not sure. I don't know quite what to do on this situation for this, other than I'm gonna have to drain the loop out and maybe have to find another replacement pump. So if anybody has a replacement D5 pump, just the pump, put a comment down below. I would probably love to grab it from you if you would let me, because I would really like to get this BCU up and running and testing on Team RedMiner, but I can't because I can't cool the loop. I don't know. It's weird. So we're gonna go swap the M30 out real fast, and then we're gonna go ahead and yeah, get it back up and hashing and get some hashes. So BRB. Boom. There we go. So back up. The other one's hashing, and it's putting down 112, almost 113 terahashes as we currently sit. Freaking amazing. Now let's go check it out. Update, I tried hashing on Kaspa with the A380, and yeah, it does about 87 mega hashes on Kaspa. It will not say the watts though, but it is really low wattage. So this is the bad one. Not sure what's wrong with it, but one of the chips is missing whenever it goes into initialization. So first casualty, and the replacement. Back up, hashing, and putting down work. This guy though, this guy sits right here all by his lonesome, and I'm standing right in front of it, and it's pretty quiet. And it runs at 113.4 terahashes because he's so cool in here. It's like 60 degrees in here. F8 of that. So, like, subscribe, show my big fans some love. I love you guys. And we'll catch y'all next time, guys. Peace.